Hey, class.
Okay, class. All right. Now, this is what you call a check register. This is kind of what it looks like here. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about the depositing and withdrawing. When you deposit money, you're adding money in it. So, I can't see what that is.
It's a positive sign.
Yeah. Put a plus sign. Now it's bleeding. Okay. It's not working right, guys. This is what happens when you use a smart board. Plus sign on deposit and a subtract sign on withdraw. That way you know which one you add to and which one you subtract. Now on the balance, that's what it equals. So the beginning balance, I started off with $236.75. We put in $25 into the bank for mowing lawn for money. We put 25 in, they added it, and you got $261.75. But then I went to the beauty salon, got my hair done, my nails done, cost $28.29. I wish it was that cheap. We subtract that, and it becomes $233.46. Okay, I'm going to do one more, transfer to savings account. Okay, so I took some money from my checking. I want to put it in my savings because that's money I don't want to spend. So I took that 20 and I'm going to subtract that 20. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write $233.46 and I'm going to subtract $20. Okay? Well, that becomes $213.46. If you do not keep up with one of these, you may end up not having enough money to buy that game system you want to buy. Or if you get older and you decide you're saving money for a car when you get older. Okay? All right. Now, look down at letter B, though. It wants us to deposit $25
on 2/24. So you're going to have to put the date.
Okay, so we put the date here.
2/24
Okay.
for dog walking.
This is dog walking money.
So that's money you made.
And that is an A, guys. Oh, okay. It's a funky looking A. Walking money. Okay. Now that's money that we made. So are we going to add it or subtract it? We're going to add it. So we're going to add $25 in here. So then we come over here and we add that $25. Well, we kind of need to subtract 40 from here.
Yeah, because they do charge. That's how much money you took out using your debit card. And then there's a charge of $1 probably because you didn't use your bank ATM machine. You went to another.
Yeah, that's an ATM fee, and a lot of times they charge, and if it costs $1, that's a good cheap one. Now I'm going to add $25, okay, because don't forget, we're going to subtract that 1. Okay.
$197.46.
So now I'm going to erase this top part here, just so I can move this one up, because I'm running out of room here. Now I'm going to add 25 to it. Remember, you add from right to the left, in case you have to carry one. So it's $197.46.
And then you wrote a check to the sports resort.
Oh man, you know we got to do that sports resort.
Okay, so you
So-
got to write check number.
What check number was I on?
Well, up there above was 202, so now the next one in line would be 203.
Yep.
On the February 28th,
Oh man, last day of the month, unless it's leap year.
the sport resort,
Gotta go get some sports going on.
$15.55. So since you wrote a check, that is subtracting. So you are withdrawing $15.55.
Okay, so now we're going to subtract this $15.55. Again, when you subtract, you go from right to left so that you can, if you have to borrow, you can. Because right here, that's 1, but you have to borrow. Oh, make that a 14. Make that a 6. 14 minus 5 is 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. and then 1. So now our new ending balance is 181.91. So what we need to do, and I hope this actually helped you. Yeah. You can use this video to complete the assignments on 531,
532.
532, 533, and 534. And we only need to go from 6 to 11 on 533 and 534. 6 through 11. Let me write that up here. Page 533, 534, 6 through 11 is all you have to do. And those are the pages that we're really worried about seeing. You want to turn in 532.
Well, we do have to see 532.
Yeah, sorry, 532 is the other page. And we're going to do numbers.
We have to do 531 and 532. Yeah, but not all of them.
Yeah. All right, so I apologize. We do need to see page 531, 532. This is 531. And then 533 to 534, 6 through 11. Okay. Apologize. At the beginning of the video, we had a very long, good explanation on pages 529 and 530. We accidentally recorded it. I'll try and get on there and redo it. And we accidentally deleted it and recorded over it. But again, we're learning like y'all are. So we will, I'll try and get another video to kind of explain those two. But you can use this video to help you with the 532 through 534, okay? Hope all is well. If you have any questions, message either any of us three, and we will help you out.